Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm just going to be showing you exactly how to add and trade stocks in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 step by step, no fluff. Alright, so let us just jump straight in and get your platform stock ready. First of all, make sure that your broker supports stock CFDs on MT4 or MT5. The process is the same, it's a similar process both on MT4 and MT5. Okay, it's kind of dependent on your broker, because if your broker does not offer stocks, then you will not be able to trade stocks, right? So ensure that your broker offers stock CFDs, okay? Because not all broker offer stocks by default. All right. Then you have to log into your platform on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. You go to your market watch window. All right. Let us view the market watch. Okay. So you just right click anywhere inside that window. You click on symbols. All right. Now you look for a folder labeled, it depends on your broker, right? So you can see here we have FX, we have CFD, there's crypto, energies, indices. So just like I said, it seems like this particular broker does not offer stocks. So I'm just going to log into another broker account right now. Or perhaps I'm just going to use the MT meta quotes account. All right, so we are being practical here, right? Okay, now let's check out symbols. Okay, so we can see now that I have now logged into a broker, or well, in this case, this is the meta quotes demo account, and you can see that it offers stocks. So you have to ensure that your broker offers stocks before you'll be able to trade stocks. All right, so you look for the folder that is labeled stocks or shares. So this is where your broker keeps all the stock assets. All right, if you don't see it, you reach out to your broker or check your account type. You may need to activate a multi-asset account or something like that. Now once you find the stock symbols, you expand the folder, right? You expand the folder, you see a list of available stock CFDs. You can see there are different stocks that are available here. All right, you can see there is Northern Oil and Gas, Nokia Corporation, and the rest of them, etc., etc., etc. Right. So whichever of the assets that you want to trade, you can just let's click on show symbol. Let's go back to our market watch. All right, so let us go to the portion for stocks. Okay, so we can see that here on the market watch, we can see that the stocks are all here, right? You can right click and click on show all in case of if there's any stocks or any asset that is not displayed on the market watch. So whatever asset you want to trade, whatever stock you want to trade. Okay, let me just check for Apple stock. I think it should be AAPL, right? It should be AAPL, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. So you can just drag and drop. All right, the drag and drop is going to appear on your chart. Okay, now to place a trade, you can just you can decide to right click on the stock in the market watch and you click on new order. Okay, you will get the familiar trade execution box. You choose your lot size carefully. Stock CFDs often have different contract sizes than Forex pairs. Okay, so you check the spread, and place either a market order or pending order depending on your strategy, right? Boom, you are now trading stocks inside MetaTrader. Or if you want to use the one-click trading option, you can just come right here. You ensure that you choose your lot size appropriately. Once you've selected your lot size, then you can click the sell button or the buy button, and of course your trade will get executed instantly. All right, ensure that you check your spread, ensure that you do your proper analysis before executing your trade, and don't forget about risk management. All right, you should already have a predetermined level where you intend to set your stop loss and your take profit before you proceed to clicking the buy button or the sell button. Okay, keep in mind trading stocks is slightly different than forex. All right, spreads can be wider. Trading hours follow the underlying stock exchange, not 24/5. Okay, not the regular forex 24 hours 5 days a week, right? The forex market is opened 24 hours a day 5 days a week, right? The stock market is not exactly the same way. Okay, the trading hours for the stocks follow the underlying stock exchange. All right. Now, volatility is often event driven, earnings reports, company news, etc. Right. So also you have to double check your leverage. Double check your leverage. Brokers often reduce leverage on stock CFDs in order to manage risk. Okay. So basically, I have showed you how to add stocks to MetaTrader platform, be it MT4 or MT5, same process. All right. But just ensure that your broker actually offers stock CFDs, because if you check your market watch and you cannot find any stocks, then it is possible that your broker does not offer it. But make sure that you have right clicked here and click on show all right, because it's possible that some of them might not be visible. So if you have done this already, if you have gone through this process, you right click here, you click on show all, and still you can't find any stocks, and you come to symbols and you cannot find any folder labeled stocks or shares, then it could be that your broker does not offer stock CFD. So you might have to check if your account type, you know, is your particular account type that does not have it. Maybe your broker actually offers stock CFDs, but the account type you are using does not have that, asset class. Okay, so maybe you have to open another account type that offers stock CFDs. All right, so that is it, guys. That's your quick start guide to adding and trading stocks in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Okay, if this helped you out, smash that like button, drop a comment if you've got questions, and subscribe to the channel for more straight up trading tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.